Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a poem by John Milton on his blindness. The full title of the poem is When I Consider How My Light is Spent. John Milton, born in the 9th of December 1608 and died the 8th of November 1674. He was an English poet, polemicist, and civil servant. His epic poem Paradise Lost, written in blank verse and including 12 books. 1. The poem written around 1652 after he lost his eyesight. 2. The genre of the poem is lyric poetry, also called Petrarchan sonnet. 3. The main tone of the poem is reflective. 4. The main theme of the poem is faith in God's justice and the value of patience. On His Blindness is one of the most famous sonnets by John Milton, written around 1652 after he lost his eyesight. The poem is a personal reflection on Milton's blindness and how it affects his ability to serve God through his writing, which he considered his divine calling. The poem is a Petrarchan sonnet, consisting of 14 lines divided into an octave, the first 8 lines, and a sestet, the last 6 lines. The rhyme scheme follows the pattern ababa in the octave and sedecta in the sestet. Octave. In the first part of the poem, Milton laments his blindness, expressing his deep frustration and fear. He feels that his talent for writing, given by God, is now wasted because he can no longer use it. Milton worries that he will not be able to fulfill his purpose in life, which he believes is to serve God through his literary works. He questions how he can be expected to continue serving God when he is deprived of the ability to write. Sestet. In the second part of the poem, Milton finds an answer to his concerns. He comes to realize that God does not demand work from those who are unable to perform it due to circumstances beyond their control. Instead, God values patience and faith. Milton concludes that those who stand and wait patiently, accepting God's will without complaint, are also serving God. This realization brings him a sense of peace and acceptance of his condition. Thank you. Subscribe for more.